Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alexander from the Renee of Paris. Today I'm so excited. I've got this amazing new style from Noriko to share with you. This is Nour, and isn't she amazing? She's a machine-made cap, so we know we've got that lovely bit of body. Just look at the style. We've got that wonderful short haircut, but short haircut that's very feminine. Look at those lovely lengths that are kicking out, those wonderful bits of feathery texture that have just been styled beautifully. A fringe that can be worn full or broken off to the side, which I think looks fantastic. And this amazing texture and wonderful layers that are very on trend and super flattering. Taking a little look at the back, I wanted to show you a little bit more and a bit more detail those feathery ends. As a hair cutter and as somebody that has done this for a living for well over 25 years, I know how hard that is to achieve at home, and we've done it so effortlessly in Nour. This is ready to wear, looks beautiful. I absolutely love this style. Nour is a synthetic wig with feather-like machine-made cap, an extended nape and adjustable straps in at the nape.